Alright guys, today we've got a Commodore that somebody donated to the channel, and it's got these little Velcro pieces on here for holding a keyboard cover. Just kind of looking it over, it's very yellow. Let's see if you can, I think the bottom's slightly less, you can maybe see it there. It's also had lots of use. The front of this is very smooth from, palms being rested on there. And then it's got some marks we've got to get cleaned up on it. The whole thing needs a good scrubbing. This is popped out. I don't know if that happened in shipping, so we'll see what it looks like. Inside there's some, you can see some dust bunnies running around in there. It looks like it's still got both shields on it, so I'm assuming hopefully nobody's been in here. The power button is stuck. It don't move. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with that. Hold on. That's the partner or the serial number. I don't know if that tells anybody anything or not, but there it is. And now I'm gonna start tearing it apart so I can clean it out. And I gotta switch to my other camera. So, all right, here we go. All right, so first we've got to unplug this because it's in my way. All right, so we've got the 3 screws across the front. I should mention this is the first time I've ever torn one of these apart. We had one when I was a kid, and got fond memories of playing different games on there. Maniac Mansion, I think, was my favorite, and Oregon Trail. Looks like it's the long board because the shielding goes all the way up to the front. Alright. Oh. Yikes. So somehow that got squished in there. You probably can't see it. So this is squished into the paper. This looks like it's obviously been off before. And this is broken and squished off to the side. That's the power LED. Should probably ground myself. There we go. All right. Peel that back and peel this forward. And there it is. Actually doesn't look too bad in here. Other than, whoa, what do we got going on there? Somebody has repaired the power switch at some point. Alright, let's get the board out. Ah, crap, one of the posts looked like it broke off. Yep, right there. So I have to do a little repair for that. I don't see any obvious signs of capacitor problems, leaking or anything. So I don't have the adapter. That's been repaired too there. Or maybe a mod was done to the video output. I don't have the correct cable to be able to hook this up and test it right now anyway, so today is just going to be a cleaning day. Alright, so we're loose, we're loose. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be putting that back in. This has like a gold backing on it. All the ones I've seen in videos are just the chrome colored one. Alright, and put the case over here. And I'm going to grab my solder sucker. Alright, so we're going to do a review on a solder sucker in the middle of a Commodore video. If anybody's wondering, it looks like it says 83 on the board, I think. And of course, I don't know the different years and models and stuff on this. I just watched a video on how to safely open it up and clean it, because old electronics, you always want to make sure capacitors aren't leaking and everything before you turn it on the first time. But I'm not sure if somebody sent this, as in the company sent it for a review, or if somebody donated it, because it came with a oh, I guess I threw it away. There was a gift for you paper in there from Amazon. So I'm not sure if a viewer donated this to me, or if it was a company that sent it. But either way, I appreciate it. I've always wanted a solder pump, sucker, whatever you want to call them. So review wise, it comes with the gun, the little pokers to clean the solder out of the tip. These are the filters that go up inside of here, and it looks like you just pull that back. How does that work? You just pull it back and that part comes out. Looks like it's a copy of the Hako or Hako, however that is pronounced. And then this goes right back in there. Alright, so cleaning stuff, and this is the stand. The fun thing is I did open this up, just to be clear. I opened it up and checked to see what it was. But I've watched videos where other people have the Hako, and they're using this stand for it, so that's kind of funny. I enjoyed that. There we go. And you got a little sponge to clean your tip on. However, I don't have water out here, so hopefully I won't need to do that. Alright, well first I should probably re-wet this solder all around this to get this shield off the bottom. So I need my soldering iron first. Alright. I didn't grab the soldering iron. Across here, and can't tell if there's any there. Doesn't look like it. Just that one on the end there, and across the back. And it looks like somebody has been in here because that's been lifted. And I probably have to do the same way they did to get that one off, because I don't think that tip's going to fit in there without messing up these ports. So yeah, it looks like this was an 83. Looking at the chips, they're pretty much all marked 83. Yep. And looks like we got Texas Instrument on some of these. I'm not sure who makes that or that one. But yeah. Very cool. I've wanted one of these for a while, and of course, you know, we don't have a lot of money, so buying something like this that's just gonna, you know, be used as a toy in the garage, really, wasn't really on the list for me buying. So I'm very happy somebody donated it, and I have they sent the disk drive with it, and the power supply. And of course, yes, I know the power supplies, you gotta rework them. I did test that one, and it shows to be putting out 5 volts and what is it, 9 or 10 volts on the other one. I did already test that. This one might already be unsoldered. Oh. I think this is going to be a multi-stage video here. Oops. So it probably is not going to be going back together today. So you guys let me know. Should I put the shielding back on here? I don't think I'm going to put the cardboard one back on, even though it is in pretty good shape still. But what's the opinion on putting the shielding back on the bottom? Yeah, assuming it's surviving here. That's the ouch. There's ground on here, sorry, I didn't want to go. Maybe this one. So I think I got them all loose. Yep. Alright, shut this off. There we go. Man, all the pictures I've seen, these are silvery color, not this gold. Wonder what the difference is on that. And this is still in really good shape too. The other ones I've seen, it's all warbly and everything. Alright. Probably shouldn't have left that open, but whatever. Alrighty, so got that nastiness off. In case you're wondering if you have one of these, when I got it, I couldn't figure out how to turn the thing off other than unplugging it. You just press and hold the negative button here until the temperature starts dropping, and that shuts it off. Probably could have figured that out if I would have read the user's manual with it, but you know, oh well. Alright, so the backside's got some of the nice little years of weighing on it going on. Looks like possibly somebody might have done a repair over here. Is that the keyboard? Yeah, the keyboard. And something here, we got fresh solder, and then here, what are these? Something to do with the outputs. Those have been changed too. Huh. Go ahead and take this off so I can take it in and wash it. Alright. I wonder if that's supposed to have a screw in it, some thermal compound, although that one doesn't have it, so I don't know. It's kind of a shame this got bent out. So we do have some rust on the RF shielding for the modulator. At least the switch still works on that though. Let's see what we got for getting this switch cleaned up here. But that thing is solid. Alrighty then. Guess we'll let that sit and work on tearing the keyboard apart to go clean that. Oh, you know, I probably need a cap puller, huh? Well, I can at least get it out of the shell so I can clean that up. And I don't think I'll be able to do any retro brighting, unfortunately, so hopefully this is just super dirty. I doubt it. Just because, you know, I ain't got the money to buy that right now. Unless I'm looking at the wrong stuff. It looked like it was like 60 bucks for a bottle. Alright, so there is the keyboard. And it is very dirty. I thought these are supposed to come out. There it goes. Alright, so I can go wash this. Well, first let's get this off. Wow, that's some sticky stuff. Alright, well, I'm going to heat that up with a hairdryer in the house. And I'll come back after I got the case cleaned up. Alright guys, so back from scrubbing it up. And definitely looks a lot better. Believe it or not, it's actually raining here in Arizona, and I got dripped on the way back out to the garage. So this little cover piece, I can't tell, where we go, right there, hopefully that's focused. I can't really tell with this stupid little screen, but there is gunk on here, and I can't tell if it is supposed to be a coating on there or what, but it's starting to take away the writing. I can't tell where it's focused again on here. So I stopped scrubbing it, and just figured we'd leave it for that with that right now. So there it is. Got this part scrubbed up. Maybe we're I think I'm going to go ahead and kind of put it back together here. Not kind of. I'm going to put it back together until I get a keycap puller, so then I can work on the keyboard. Yeah, that's all right. But now I can look up and see what we're looking for. I need to get the display cord ordered. And, well, I think that one busted, dang it. Alright. Okay. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys.